This is Paul. I'm at the Fayette Mall just taking a picture of these gum machines. I find it fascinating. You can buy all these different kinds of gums. Some video of these gums. I don't even chew gum anymore. But it's very tantalizing, isn't it? Gorgeous colors. Grape, cherry, Bubble King, Soft to Chew, fruit shakers, candy-filled bubble gum, Nerds, my goodness. Double bubble chewing gum, super sour candy, berry flavored black, apple bubble gum, blueberry bubble gum, wicked watermelon bubble gum, Bubble King, screaming sour. Now, doesn't that sound interesting? Refresh triple mint chewing gum. Anyway, you find these at the mall near Dillard's. Talk to you later. Bye.